policy which does not only changes the curriculum but also reshapes the future of school education in India. A strong foundation in education builds a strong nation for the future.
Good morning everyone. I am Mansi from 11th A.
And I am Ramya of class 11th A. Friends, can you look at this tiny seed? It is so small, right?
Yes, it looks small, but inside it a whole tree is hiding. It has the power to grow into something strong and beautiful.
In the similar way, we students are also like this tiny seed, but especially in their foundational stages. We start small, innocent, curious, and learn step by step.
Yes, just like the seed. Just like the seed needs good soil, sunlight and water, every child needs right education, guidance and care.
School education from the beginning. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Some students still don't come to school. What does NEP do for them?
Great question, Ramya. NEP says every child should be in the school from pre-primary to class 12. Nearly 2 crore out of school students are brought back to the school by special training, social volunteer and bridge courses.
Ma'am, so this means that no child is left behind?
Absolutely. Every child must learn and every child must shine.
Ma'am, I have also heard that the new structure has been changed from 10 plus 2 to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. What does this mean and why?
Yes, NEP looks at learning by classes but not by the age. And here's the new structure. The first stage is foundational stage of 3 to 8 years old children, which includes primary like Balvatika and class 1st and 2nd. They focus on plays and stories and colors. The second stage is preparatory stage of 8 to 11 years old children. It includes classes 3rd to 5th and they focus on activity-based learning. And the third stage is middle stage of 11 to 14 years old children. It includes classes 6 to 8 and they focus on subject experiments and projects. And the last stage is secondary stage, which includes children 14 to 18 years old. It includes classes 9 to 12 and they focus on flexibility, choice of subject and deeper learning.